Hello there, environmental science students. This is a recording to debrief class if you missed on Thursday, December 3rd or Friday, December 4th. So there were just a couple announcements and reminders at the beginning of class, and then we had a guest speaker. One was that you should have finished your lab or be working on finishing that experimental design lab with your lab group. I really wanted everybody to finish that collaboratively. If that's going to be an issue, please reach out to me so that we can either figure out how to fix that issue or figure out an alternative. But I'll be looking that everybody contributed through the end of that. During your asynchronous work today, I had told you earlier in the week that we would be doing some project work, and that is now posted in your OneNote under 5.2 project work. I've recorded a video explaining how to re-engage in the project and the next steps. And what you'll be doing is recording a Flipgrid where you tell me more about what you're doing and ask me a question, or scheduling an office hours. And all of that is in your OneNote. Also in your OneNote is the test review. We have a test coming up next week, so we want to make sure that we are progressing towards meeting that goal. It's going to be a test that looks very similar to the one last unit in that you have a free response set of questions that you answer in class. Instead of doing it as a group collaboration, you'll be able to talk to your other group members to get ideas, maybe, where to find answers if you can't think of them yourself, but you'll be answering it on your own. And then you'll do the multiple choice in the asynchronous time after you've done the free response. The review isn't intended to be anything that you have to do on top of what you are already doing for the class. It's just a place where I've consolidated, here's all the EKs that we've done for that unit. You can go back to the homework log and read through those. Here's where all those videos are. Make sure you've done the key work in that week, that you've taken the personal progress check and perhaps watch the debrief video. And then if you want extra practice, there are some extra sets of multiple choice questions that I've put together on the College Board website. It gives you the answers right after you take it, just to provide you with an opportunity to check your understanding and further practice those multiple choice questions. The last thing was that we had a guest speaker who was from King County, Water and Land Resource Division, and he talked all about the initiatives that the government is doing in our local county on climate, clean water, clean air, all sorts of things. Let me show you where to find those resources. So on Schoology, there's a folder, a page that I put together in this week's folder that has a link to the recording of the third period class, as well as a bunch of links to different King County initiatives that might help you in your project, especially if you're looking for solutions. And give you more information about the problems that we're having in King County. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope to see you next week.